are here at Darlington Raceway on its original date, so that means all is right in the Sprint Cup Series tonight as we get set for 500 miles in the Bojangles Southern 500.
43 strong coming to the green flag for the Southern 500.
Brad Keselowski was on the Coors Light pole for throwback weekend with Kurt Busch to his outside, but it was Kevin Harvick following Keselowski going to the front of the pack, and it didn't take long for Darlington to take its toll. Just over 5 laps in, Chase Elliott, Cole Whitt, and Brett Moffitt bottle up off turn 2, and that's costly for Elliott and Whitt. Elliott came away with a decent amount of damage while Whitt's car was beat up front to back, ending both young drivers' chances early. Later, 3-time Darlington winner Jimmie Johnson goes around off the nose of Joey Logano. The field scatters around Johnson, and amazingly, the 6-time champ makes no contact in the incident. On the restart, Kevin Harvick takes the lead from Brad Keselowski as the two beer wagons go back and forth, but it's Keselowski who prevails over the defending champ. At just past halfway, Danica Patrick makes significant contact with the wall after she gets loose. That brings out a caution yet again. Later, Tony Stewart grabs the lead on a restart from Kyle Larson, leading his first lap since Talladega earlier this season, but Denny Hamlin passes Smoke, who was on old tires a few laps later.
To the bottom of the track he goes. Denny Hamlin trying to take the lead here in the Southern 500. He gets back to the front.
We saw a record-tying 17th caution come out when Kurt Busch spun off the nose of Martin Truex Jr. Kurt somehow kept it off the wall and on the lead lap. The last 30 laps of the race were busy with Keselowski trying to hold off Kevin Harvick and Carl Edwards. On lap 355, the record-setting 18th caution would come out. The leaders pit, and Carl Edwards wins the battle off pit road.
They watch as their team and driver gets off the pit road first, and the celebration begins.
Edwards checks out on the restart. He goes on to win his second crown jewel of the year and first ever Southern 500 at Darlington Raceway.
It was so cool tonight to be able to come back from 2 laps down. I mean, that's really fun to be able to be a part of something like that.
Well, at the end of the Bojangles Southern 500, there's a lot of torn-up race cars, and next week we head to Richmond for the Federated Auto Parts 400. A lot of people are going to be willing to do whatever it takes to lock themselves into the chase. That is the cutoff, so stay tuned for that. There's no telling what's going to happen. For NASCAR.com, I'm Jonathan Merriman.